What you got?
Look,
What is it?
a ribbon.
You got a ribbon from Nikki and Adam. All right. When you're done with the ribbon, you can look at the rest of the package.
And there's the ribbon.
Okay. Now you can open up the rest.
Let's put this on the ground, okay?
Okay.
Let me open it. Let me open it. Look, I'm tearing it open.
What
I'm
could...
tearing it open. Look.
What is it?
It's a game. Look.
Wow, what is it?
Is your mum staying here tonight or not?
No. Can you say thank you to Adam and Nikki?
Thank you, Nikki.
We're going to open it up now and see what you got.
Look.
My goodness.
I already opened it.
What could it be? Pop it.
Pop it.
Okay, try that.
Look. Here. Here.
Thank you. You probably need me to hold your lollipop while you do this.
I can't do it. I can't do the rest. I can't do it. I'm doing this rest. I'm doing the rest.
You are.
How do I do the rest? It's too stuck. Mom, how do I open the rest?
I think you can get the stuff out by now.
Here's an apple. Pumpkin. Apple pumpkin.
And there's letters on the other side.
Letters.
Which letters are they?
PP. And AA.
There you go.
They're PP and A.
I think AA is for apple and PP is for pumpkin. Is that right? You could turn them over and see. Those are awesome. Wow.
Here's the one I started with. Airplane.
Wonder what letters on the back of that. Oh,
JJ.
I think it's for JJ Jet. Jet plane.
Umbrella. U. Umbrella. What's this one? What's this one?
Let's see. Oh, a vase. Vase. It holds flowers.
N.
You see N on there?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, actually, you have to turn it this way. Now what letters do you see?
What?
They're VV.
VV.
Yes. Very nice.
Ribbons. Ribbons. Special ribbons.
They certainly are. Look at all the colors.
Black.
Yeah.
And they're purple too. Purple! wanted purple. I
Wow.
got purple.
Yay!
I got this purple.
Isn't this a wonderful gift? Thanks again, Nikki and Adam.
Thanks again, Nikki and Adam.
Thanks, Nikki and Adam.
Thanks. I will have